Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to reverse money on Nedbank app. In order to do this, you just have to launch your Nedbank mobile application, and then you just have to provide your email address and your password, and you simply need to log in into your account. Now once you're successfully logged in, you need to first choose your account. After that, you need to tap on the debit orders tab. Afterwards, you need to choose the debit order that you would like to reverse. Then you are going to see the option of reverse debit order. So I simply need to tap on that option. Afterwards, you need to choose a reason for the reversal. Then you need to tap on reverse debit order, and after that you need to tap on stop debit order. So after following these instructions in your Nedbank mobile application, you will be able to easily reverse money on Nedbank app. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.